Everything is wired correctly, every connection torqued to spec. The inspector shows up and red tags the job, not because of the wiring, because of what is sitting in front of the panel. A water heater, 18 inches away, storage boxes stacked against the door. That callback is on your dime. And unlike a wiring violation, this one you cannot fix behind a closed door. The NEC saw it coming. NEC 110.26 governs every inch of space around your electrical equipment. Most electricians know it exists. Almost none know all 4 ways it can fail an inspection. There is one threshold in this section, a specific amperage and a specific width, that sends commercial jobs back to the drawing board. We will get to that. Look at this panel. 36 inches of clear space in front, nothing in it. NEC 110.26 A1 sets working space depth using Table 110.26 A1. Depth depends on 2 things, the voltage to ground and the condition. For a standard 120/240 volt panel, 0 to 150 volts to ground, all 3 conditions are 36 inches, same depth across the board. Step up to 151 to 600 volts and they spread out. Condition 1, live parts on one side, nothing live or grounded on the other, 36 inches. Condition 2, live parts on one side, a grounded surface on the other. Concrete, brick, or tile counts as grounded, 42 inches. Condition 3, live parts on both sides of the working space, 48 inches. The voltage sets the row, the condition sets the depth. Now here is where candidates give away points for free. Width is 30 inches, or the width of the equipment, whichever is greater. NEC 110.26 A2. Height is 6.5 feet, or the height of the equipment, whichever is greater. NEC 110.26 A3. That word "or" is the trap. A 36-inch panel needs 36 inches of width, not 30. The equipment dimension wins. So why do inspectors red tag jobs with perfect wiring? Because the violation is never inside the panel. It is in front of it. Before I give you the no storage rule, what does the NEC call the space directly above your panel board? Hold that answer. The working space in front of a panel cannot be used for storage. NEC 110.26b is explicit. Boxes, equipment, tools. All violations, regardless of how tight the job site is. The space above the panel is dedicated electrical space. NEC 110.26e. Electrical wiring only. No pipe, no duct. No HVAC. Mechanical runs ductwork above a panel on a commercial job. Violation. Every time. That callback is on your dime, and now you know exactly why. 3 things they test on 110.26. Can you name them before I do? 1. Working space depth. The voltage sets the row, the condition sets the depth. Table 110.26 A1. Identify both before you state the number. 2. Width and height use or. 30 inches or equipment width. 6.5 feet or equipment height. The larger number always controls. NEC 110.26 A2 and A3. 3. The one most candidates miss entirely. Equipment rated 1200 amps or more and wider than 6 feet requires 2 means of entrance and egress. Minimum 24 inches wide and 6.5 feet high. NEC 110.26 C2. Both conditions must be met, amps and width. Know the condition before you name the depth. Know the or before you state the dimension. Know the threshold. so that callback is never on your dime. If you are studying for the Florida EC exam, subscribe. We break down the NEC one section at a time every week.